Okay, I'm going to talk through my final project for CS50 Python. You can see all the key information we need to display at the start of these videos here. The title of the program of the project rather, is Poker Training Game. So this simulates a round of Texas Hold'em poker. In Texas Hold'em poker, you're dealt two cards initially, and then over the course of the round, you're dealt five more cards that are called community cards, and you have to see how strong a hand you can make with the cards you have access to. An example of a hand would be something like a pair, two cards of the same denomination, or a flush, which is five cards of the same suit. So let's have a look at what this program looks like in practice. So we run the program, and you can see here we've got an ace of hearts and a five of spades. Ask the chance of getting a flush. So what are the chances that we get four more hearts, four more spades, or five more of the other two um, suits? And I'm going to say the chances are reasonably low. Let's say 4%. And see how that's good. I got within 2% of the answer, so the program tells me well done. If we go again, we can see here that we've got two cards of the same denomination. What's interesting about this is the program does actually try to give you the most interesting questions about what kind of hands you might be able to get. So if you have two cards of the same denomination, it will ask you about three of a kinds and four of a kinds and how likely you are to get those. If you have two cards of the same suit, it will ask you about flushes, that kind of thing. So let's put in 20% here. Turns out, even with two tens, the chance of getting four of a kind is pretty low. Because we'd either have to get two more tens or we'd have to get four of any other denomination. So actually, the answer is 0.84%. And it tells me again how close I was, but it's less enthusiastic this time because I wasn't quite as close. Let's have a look at another version. So here we get asked about getting four of a kind. Let's say that we want to add a percentage just to make sure that our answer is formatted correctly. System is able to deal with that and not allow it to cause any issues in terms of the program. So we're doing some validation before passing that information into the other functions. In the same way, if somebody tries to put pizza, uh, the system is not able to deal with that, but it at least warns the user that they need to enter a number and exits the program. If somebody tries to put a negative number, we raise an exception to say, value error, please enter a positive number.